City of Canada. We're also known for a lot of great things in our town.
Being a tourist again, I decided to take this boat trip, a 90-minute boat trip. It's called Wendella 90-minute tour.
To some fantastic history and architecture, and that is the reason
Cruising
why we're all
the,
on the boat today. So we're going to go ahead and start on the right-hand side with Trump International Hotel and Tower. It's this blue building to our right.
Tour guide and everything.
The building was completed in 2009 by Adrian Smith of the firm Skidmore, Owings & Merrill. Today it stands as the second.
Here's another view of the Willis Tower here from the river this time. Looking up, and there's things that's happening. Yesterday I was up on top of this, so this is a way different perspective.
The former Sears Tower, current Willis Tower, is North America's tallest building. It stands at 1,454 feet. That is.
We're currently sitting in a lock, ready to go out into Lake Michigan. There's one end, a lock that's closed, and down at this end there's a lock also. Waiting for this other boat to get in, and the gate back there was shut. The gate's shutting right now. It's just to keep minimize the water flowing in from Lake Michigan into the Chicago River. At one point, the river flowed out to Lake Michigan, but they dredged the river, so now it's lake flowing into the river, making for more drinking water apparently. And, some of the states, our neighbors to the north, didn't like that we were draining Lake Michigan, Chicago was getting more than their fair share of river water, so this is supposedly minimizing how much flows from Lake Michigan into the Chicago River. Here's the skyline. And this is called Navy Pier. I believe this is part of the Columbian Expedition, the World's Fair in Chicago in 1891. Reading about it in a book that I'm reading called The Devil in the White City. I'm sure this is where they held the World's Fair. Number 3 to the World's Columbian Expedition of 1893. Yeah, that's what you said. 4 to the Century Progress World's Fair. Daniel Burnham was the architect. There's this lock right on one nearest to Lake Michigan opening up right now, so we can get out into the lake. Lock gates are opening very slowly. Actually see the water from Lake Michigan flowing into the Chicago River. Okay, here's another view of the skyline. This is sort of looking south along the amusement pier. It's absolutely beautiful day today. Not too hot. Gotta get some sunburn. I don't have any sunscreen, so that might have been a mistake. Here's a view of the shoreline looking south.